Hi there, my name is Lisa and I'm a designer for Cocoa Daisy, and today I've actually got two unboxings for you. I have got the memory keeping kit, and I've also got the planner kit, so I'm really excited to show you in both what I've received. I'm one of these, I don't like to see all the sneaks online, so I haven't looked about too much. I'm really excited. Classified bits I will pop to one side, and I will move these over and have a look at what's inside here. So this is the 12 by 12 memory keeping main kit. I always love that anticipation of not quite knowing what's coming. I have seen some bits and pieces what some of the other girls have posted, but that's about it. So I start off and I've got the stamp set here. Now generally the kits to the team this month have gone out much later, so usually we get sent just the samples of the stamps. I'm just trying to find something to show this stamp off a bit better. So usually we just get the samples, but this month we've actually got them in the cute packaging, so that's what they usually look like. Got a couple of beautiful flair here. These are really sweet. I particularly like that one. We've got some enamel dots. I love these, some chipboard. These are really nice. Always really handy to add to pages. Let's have a look and see what's in this glassine bag. Oh, these are fancy. We've got some leaves. There's a couple more still in there. We've got Hello Fall, and we've got a couple of tags. I do love to use tags on my projects. And keep the glassine bags as well. They're another thing that's really handy to add to projects. That in itself, just decorating one of the tags with the leaves and the Hello Fall, you've instantly got a really beautiful piece of decor, whether it be to add something scrapbook style, whether it to be to like an off the page type decor piece as well. You can do all kinds of things. Oh, these are nice envelopes. I've got some happy mail to do this month, so actually they could be perfect. We've got two pieces. I'm wondering actually, because I'm on the design team, if I've received two pieces of the alphabet, because I'm sure that there will only be one in the actual kit, not two. So that may be a mistake, or maybe the team have been given two this month. We've got the die cuts, which are always my favourite. We've got a pumpkin. Our story starts here. Some really nice arrows. Indian summer, more wording. I love the leaves. Colours are beautiful in this kit, aren't they? Really, really nice. Really, really love this. Loads and loads of pieces in there. And now onto the exclusive papers, which are beautiful as always. I love, love, love the quality of these. I do think, as far as 12 by 12, oh, these are nice. That's going to be the first piece I use. As far as 12 by 12 papers go in the scrapbooking world, you cannot beat the quality. Oh, I love that as well. You cannot beat the quality of the Cocoa Daisy papers. Nothing compares. Oh my God, I'm having so many ideas. Love these. Oh, look at that cute heart. Nice colour green there. Oh, that's nice. I love the dots. I like the apples as well. Oh, look at that. That's so gorgeous. Oh my God, I need a proper scrapbooking session. We've got the, I always go to say chipboard. We've got the cardstock as well. There's always, oh, we've got three pieces there. We've got that one as well that complement the kit. In my excitement, I've kind of got bits everywhere. I need to control myself. And then we've got, what's here? We've got some Echo Park. It looks like. Let's move this out the way. Right, we've got die cut cards here, paper, which are always handy to cut out. Oh, that's nice. Turn into a mini book, something like that. Another autumnal. And we've got these as well. I can imagine a lot of people doing, you know, when you use like decoupage style, where people cut bits and pieces out. I can imagine that being used. And then we've got from Pebbles these really cute papers. That's so sweet. Have you got kids trick-or-treating next month? These papers would be perfect. Oh, look. This is when I miss my kids being little with all the trick-or-treating. That's so sweet. I absolutely love that paper. This is such an amazing fall kit. It's got something, a little bit for everyone. So you don't have to be obviously into all the Halloweeny stuff or particularly love pumpkins. There really is something for everyone in this kit. So I'm going to move this on and see what's in my next package. My favourite part of the kit, it's the pocket kit. We've got an orange ink pad, which is always nice to have. These are sweet. What do these feel like? They almost look like, oh, they're like rubber. I thought they'd be really hard, like something you'd add to a cupcake. Those are sweet. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with those yet. They almost seem too nice just to use on a journal page or scrapbook page. We've got some die cuts here, and these are little mini ones. They're always different to what's in the main scrapbooking kit as well. These are really sweet. Really, really nice. Love, love, love those. They're always so easy to use. We've got some more sparkly enamel dots there. We've got some more pieces like what was in the main kit as well. Got some, these are nice. That's a little wooden twig. Got the journal cards, which I will come back to in a moment. We've got some stamps, and these again are different to what's in the main kit. There we go. We've got Cozy Autumn Days, Fall for You, Fall in Love, Currently, and obviously like a little latte and leaves. Love that. I really, really like that one actually. I can see myself using that lots. We've got papers. These are 6x6s, which are cut down from the Cocoa Daisy 12x12s. And then we've also got some alphabet stickers. And we've got some more chipboard as well. Love those too. And then let's have a look at what's in this month's journal cards. These are the 6x4s. Oh, that's nice. This one. Really, really sweet. I like those a lot. And then we've got the little 3x4s. Oh, that's nice. I might actually pop that on my pin board. I'm going to pop that to one side. Sometimes cards are just too nice to pop in a scrapbook album. Sweet. And I have actually framed these cards many a time because they're so sweet. I really do love this month. I say that every month. Oh, that's a nice one. But I really, really, it really is my favourite season. I really do love this month. They just make me want to journal a lot. Oh, that's a nice one as well. Really nice. Whee. Start today with a grateful heart. Picture perfect. Love those cards. They are beautiful. And now I'm going to open up my planner kit. Isn't this a cute little box? This is the planner kit. Also comes with that cute little card and the plastic bag. So we've got a pen gem that is beautiful. Those colours, really, really nice. Let's open it up and see what it's like. A little notepad from the kit. It's a lovely heavy pen and writes beautifully. It's like a biro type pen. Love that. We've got some very sweet washi tape. We've got a little post-it pumpkin. We've got some little ribbon paper clips. We've got, these are like the puffy stickers, some fall puffy stickers. We've got more to-dos. I'm actually wanting to set up a home planner just for helping with organising and things like that. We've got lots of to-dos in the house, so actually I can really see myself using this kit to set up that planner. The usual planner stickers. There's some little to-dos, goals, all that type of thing. And again, these stickers as well, all to coordinate. We've got cardstock here. These can be used if you want to make your own dashboard. Actually, for my home binder, that might be a nice idea. But you can also use it to use for journaling and scrapbooking, that type of thing as well. I sometimes do that because it just all matches so nicely. And then we've also got the October planner pages. Colours are beautiful in this. And we've got these ones, which I use as my menu pages. And then you've got the space for journaling or note making. And then we've also got the days of the week for planning. There's one of those for each week. And then there's a daily to do as well, one for every day of the month. We've also then got extras like the yearly calendar, and there's notes and ideas on the back, and there's also a double spread of the month as well, which I like to put at the front of my planner. So that is my planner kit. I have received so much. I'm so happy. I love this kit. It's beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed it too. Please let me know if you are a subscriber to Cocoa Daisy. You can receive a discount off the planner kit if you go to Cocoa Daisy. Just mention my name when you order, Lisa, Lisa, and you will receive a discount. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you love this kit as well, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.